Hello everyone. So today it's just going to be me by myself. Todd's got other things to do. So on the last camp trip that we had up at up north, my charging system broke, which if you've seen that video then you know what I'm talking about. So this is my old King's one. Didn't do a very good job of like making sure it wasn't faulty. Not sure if we stuffed anything up or not. I just waited way too long and it just sort of went out of warranty. So I said, oh, stuff it. What I'll do is I'll get an upgrade instead. So I picked the perfect day to do this when it's been raining on and off. So I'm going to do this real quick, hopefully. So I've already ran the cabling. If you've seen the other video, you'll already know how we ran it. I just followed through and re-taped it up, cable tied it. So this is the new one. I'll bring the camera closer when I unbox it, but we're going to go through, quickly put it in, hopefully it doesn't rain, and pretty much just toss this. It's no longer any good to us. I don't know what else to say. Ongoing adventures! Okay, so this is the new one, and I've got to say, just from what I've seen, the packaging is really nice. All the plugs are really good as well. One key difference with this one is there's a 3-pin plug for the ignition. Now, we didn't do the ignition last time, which might have been a reason why mine stuffed up. Turn that around. So pretty much the other thing that I really liked about this is it actually comes with a little rubber pad to put down. Now the other thing that I'm going to have to do is I found that the hole sizing and the distance on these are completely different. So I'm going to have to re-drill all new holes, which is fun because it's really tight in where I've got it. But so far the quality on this is really good. I can't show you a video of the cable because I already fitted it, but it was really nice. Another good thing about this one is it's got like an app that you can connect to it. It's the smart device one. I'll maybe go into details with that later. Is actually very helpful. It fully goes through. So once you've connected it all, it goes through. It's got a really helpful guide on the actual website, but it shows you the current and everything. I'll go through and turn this on. Okay. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's detected that it's doing. It's already telling me that it's going through. So far it seems to be really helpful. It tells you the exact volt, current, power. I wonder if it's got, oh yeah, same with that. I don't have any solar panels hooked up, but it's got a little, so when you first hook it all up, you do have to actually set all the correct details. So my particular battery, I had to go through, set it on here, otherwise it just kept coming up with a fault. Make sure you set your voltage, 12 volt, 24 volt, whatever you're using. You can set your current. So if you want to changing all that, you can, but I'm just probably going to leave it as default. But this little app, it's pretty good actually. I did have a little false start when I first turned it on because it was flashing fault. I had no idea why, but after playing around, it was just I didn't set it. Well, I'm going to screw all this back together because I'm going to get rained on again. Ongoing adventures! Oh, that hit the tree. There you go, start digging. Have fun with that.